So good evening, sir. So I'm gonna introduce myself. I am Joy Business Luna. So I'm gonna choose the communication purpose, which is the not narrate, because it's your experiencing about my first day at college. So now I'm gonna read my script. So my first day at college felt like stepping into a whole new world. I walked into a campus with a backpack full of supplies and a head full of questions. Would I make in friends? Would the professors be strict? Was I really ready for this next chapter? Everything felt so big. The buildings, the crowds, even the silence in the lecture halls. I remember sitting in my first class pretending to look calm, but inside, I was overwhelmed. Then, something small happened that changed everything. Someone next to me introduced themselves and asked how I was doing. We ended up talking before class started, and suddenly didn't feel so alone. That one moment reminded me that everyone was probably just as nervous as I was. By the end of the day, I had found my way around, laughed a little, and even started to feel like I belonged. Looking back, that day taught me that even the most intimidating beginnings can lead to unexpected comfort. You just have to take the first step. Thank you.